trying to make a big box. If you watched my previous video, then you'll see we made these small ones. But this time I'm going to give it a try to make a bigger one with this huge piece of paper. Now, what we'll need is a piece of paper and something to decorate with. Now, we're going to fold it. Make it a huge card. Now open it back up. There we go. And then we're going to take this side and we're going to bring it to the middle. And then fold it again. There we go. Now we're going to do it on the other side. Fold it again. There we go. Okay, now we're going to open it. And we're going to fold it back like a card. And then we're going to fold it, put it like this. And then with this piece, we're going to fold it to that little edge here. This piece. Fold it. Kind of looks like a triangle. And then we're going to do it on this side. And then we're going to do it underneath, right here. That was hard. There we go. Now we're going to fold it. Open it back up and then fold it on the other side this time. And then open it, and then we're going to take this top piece. Here, turn around. Right here, this top piece, and we're going to just hold it. And then we are going to sit down. And then we're going to take this piece and fold it to here. And then do it on the other side. Open that back up, and I'm going to color something in this huge box. Which color should I take? I'm going to take this blue. Well then, now I'm going to open it up like a box. And then I'm going to pinch this piece. I'm going to put this in here. Just like that. This side and put it in. There we go. Done. Well, now I can put my cat in here and make it a cat house. Look at how cute this is. Oh, and if you're wondering what the name is, that's my cat's name. Hopefully that was fun. Thank you for watching and subscribe and smash that like button. And I'll see you next time. Bye!